What's up, guys? This is Brent with 247parts.com, the best place online to buy your John Deere parts. So let's jump right on in and show how we can mount this toolbox onto your Z5 John Deere zero turn. Now, where the toolbox is going to go is over here on the left-hand front caster frame right here. So first thing we want to do is get that caster wheel turned all the way out. Then we're going to have this bracket in our kit that we're going to want to slide up onto the frame just like this, and then we can actually work this as far out on the caster as possible. So we'll work that out in a way getting it close to our actual caster right here. Then we're going to have the bracket here that our toolbox mounts onto, and that is going to set right on top of that bracket right there. Now, next thing that we're going to do is grab our two carriage head bolts here, these flat topped bolts with that square neck, and we're going to start those down through this top bracket and through that lower bracket right there, and then start our nuts on the bottom side and tighten those up. And all we're going to need to tighten those up is going to be a ratchet with a 13mm socket. So go ahead and break that out and tighten those up. All right, now once we have those tightened up, now we can go with mounting our toolbox. Now the concern here is this toolbox going to be in the way of our foot pedal? And as you can see, that is as far forward as you're going to be pushing that foot pedal, so it is not going to get in the way here having your toolbox mounted out front. So to mount this toolbox on, all we have to do here is open it up. We can see that right inside there, we've got the two holes there on either side. Then we're going to grab our mounting hardware. So what we have here is just a couple of regular hex-headed bolts, some large washers. We're going to start those washers here on to that bolt. Then we're going to put those down through the toolbox here and into that bracket. Going to do that on both sides. And then once again, we have those nuts to start on the bottom. Now, once we have those in and have them started, all we need to do now is break out that 13mm wrench and once again our 13mm ratchet and socket, and go ahead and tighten those up. All right, and then once you've got that all tightened up, you can throw those tools inside, shut that down, close it up. It's even got a little knob here on the end where you can lock this up. Then once you get on the mower, as we can see, just to show, we can push in on our foot pedal, change that height of our deck, and we have no problem with that running into the toolbox whenever we are pushing that pedal. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. I hope that you liked this video. If this toolbox is something you feel like you need for your Z5 mower, the part number for that's going to be BUC10859. You can make sure and check that out at 247parts.com. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.